This is the Tech wireless lavalier mic. I was complimented on it. Hopefully help give a link to where they can get it. I got mine at Best Buy, $39.99. It sold for $12.99. Clearance, no more. And it went down from a number of prices so they finally got rid of it. Great, great microphone for the Action 3. The only problem, there's always a pro and there's always a con. The only problem is it don't have a battery on the receiver. It uses the actual camera's battery, so you have to wait for the camera to start, and then once you get going, off you go. And that's the way it is. Now the Sony ZV-1 and the Sony ZV-1 Mark II, those are the two cameras. It's being talked about online, and they're bringing up a lot of attention. A lot of people are saying, stick with the ZV-1. And some are saying, oh yeah, I love the ZV-1M2, and they're going to get it. Now, $1,000 versus $500 versus, you got it, $800. You have three models to choose from. The ZV-1, the ZV-1M2, which is the latest, and the Sony ZV-E10 with the 16mm lens that you could take off. But it's not pocketable. People wanted the ZV-1, same pocketable camera, updated with more bells and whistles than they can imagine. And some people are disappointed and others are very happy. What do you do when you hear news like this on YouTube? That the influencers, you know, they just saying, you know, what they said, open and honest, and now you have to make a decision what you want to do. I don't own a ZV-1, but I own a ZV-1F that I did do a vlog today, about 30 minutes long, and I'm going out and I'm watching my videos. I don't want to use Catalyst browser. I don't want to use it. It's going to just slow my workflow down. That 30-minute video probably take 2 days to do. And even though that 30-minute video I put in my editor, I had a problem. My machine froze up 17 minutes in there. I may have used up my memory. So I don't do long videos all the time like that, but I do make my talk. And there I am saying, I'm like a 10-minute guy, does a great job, what I need. So I'm like, I get both cameras. I'll be happy. Get the ZV-1, get the ZV-1 Mark II. Might as well go buy the ZV-E10 and top it all off and get the ZV-E1 and be done with it. No, I don't want to get the FX30. No need for that, but you get the idea. So I'm sitting here and I'm going to be thinking and thinking and thinking. Yes, indeed. The sun is right there. Maybe I should change my angle before it gets into your eyes. I do my vlogs with the DJI Osmo Action 3. I do my vlogs also with the GoPro Hero 10. I do it more with the Action 3. Why is that? Is the front screen any bigger than the GoPro Hero 10? I don't know. The front screen I could touch. I don't touch it. I don't like the screen lock, but after that's all gone, it's there. Yeah, it's just something I like about the GoPro and Action 3. The image stabilization, you get the idea. The image stabilization is out of this world, and Sony can't do it. They can't make that image stabilization into the camera. What did they do? They offer software instead. We all know that. Catalyst browser is supposed to kill it. Well, GoPro's got real steady on top of the GoPro Hyper Smooth. And maybe they should take a lesson from GoPro, Sony. Oh yeah, I'm out here just enjoying the day and the wind is kicking. And that's one of the things that I did at the very end of my long talk. See if the camera would do fine. And let me see. Osmo Action 3, the wind's kicking. Should I change? And and you can hear the wind ruffling over. It's not a hard wind. And I don't use the microphone. That's something that the DJI locks us out. And the microphone, when we're on just default to the camera, you have to be in Pro. I'm thinking right here. Hold on. Let me bring you right back in a second. There I go. Now the DJI Action 3 is like a Sony. You got it. It's got no image stabilization at all, man. You know how it works when I walk around now. Oh wow, I just noticed Rocksteady and then Rocksteady Plus. Rocksteady Plus is what I shot on. It crops in even more than ever. That's almost like active stabilization of the Sony. But at least I'm buttery smooth. I could be shaking all around. Oh yeah, that's why I got a GoPro Hero 10 many months ago. Well, I said a lot, I did a lot, I talked a lot, and I'm talked out. I'm going to pack this bad boy up, hop on my GoTrax. I learned that there's a little beep that's real hard to hear over 8 seconds or plus. It tells you your cruise control. I got 18 miles on it again. I'm doing pretty good. I'm pretty happy. If there was an option for a seat, oh man, that'd make me happier. Put my hat on. Make sure I'm blinking. Time to go get a, no, there I am. I'm blinking. Hard to see. Very hard to see during the day. Might as well just keep that bad boy off. It's not a real LED. On that note, I'm Fish. I'll see you on many other videos to come. I wish I could show you riding on it, but be a little bit more safer. Put the camera away. Have a great day, everybody.